Pero sa Pilipinas, meron bang risk na magkakaroon din ng terrorist activities dito? Lalo
Yun
na
na yun,
dahil,
I was-
dahil yung government ni PBBM has been also perceived as pivoting towards the US and we have EDCA sites. So meron bang risk na tayo rin?
Yeah, I was trying to avoid that question, pero sige na. You know, my area is counterterrorism and I monitor counterterrorism situation in the Philippines for the past 25 years. May mga kwan kasi, may mga Hezbollah followers dito, may mga anti-Israeli, anti-American militants pa rin dito. May buhay pa rin yung mga Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters, although in decline na sila, they have not yet disappeared. So,
You're not
hinihintay lang.
discounting that risk?
Yes, ang hinihintay ko lang may magbuhos ng pera sa mga to. May magbigay ng armas pag nagkaroon ng financing of terrorism.
Baka meron.
Meron yan
risk
kasi
tayo.
ngayon kaya in decline ngayon ang terrorist threat sa Pilipinas because they don't have funds and sustained military operations and also local government participation as well as vigilance of the civil society. Malakas ang ating deradicalization program, one of the best in the world. Kaya nga nag-achieve tayo ng counterterrorism.